Hi everybody, it's Carol with Refunction Crafts. I'm here today just to do a short video on some of the items that I've recently been working on, some items that I will be doing tutorials on in the near future, and kind of wanted to get some feedback from you all to see if you thought maybe this was something that you'd like to see. So these are all old watches that have been altered. And this one here has been turned into a purse charm. Let me see if I can get closer. It's got the watch face in the back. Of course, it is not a working watch, and then it is a shaker piece as well. So it's got these charms on the inside, pearls and charms and rhinestones and so forth on the inside, so it will shake around. It's got these beautiful, beautiful dangle charms. This one has a place for a photo. It's got a breast cancer awareness heart. It's got this beautiful vintage charm that I've been saving for a special piece. A beautiful cross. Anyway, this is a wonderful piece that I recently created. And these are all items also that I sell in my Etsy shop. So these... if you'd like to take a look at them in my shop, they are there. My shop is called Refunction Crafts. I'll put a link in the drop-down menu so that you can check out my store if you're interested. But this one is absolutely stunning. I've turned this one into a necklace. It's got more of a Victorian vintage look to it. I kept half of the band on it so that it would add that detail. And then it also has gorgeous charms on it that are simply just beautiful. This is one of my favorite pieces here. So there's that one. And then we have this one. This is on a gold tone watch face. It's got a gold tone. And these are just kept. I need to scrape the glue off the back of this one, but these are all just kept in their natural form on the back, most of them. And it's got these beautiful charms on it. This one says, "I love you to the moon and back." And it sort of has a Valentine's Day theme, or it could be a great, great, great thing for Mother's Day. I know my mom would have loved this if I had been able to give her something like this. Unfortunately, these kind of things weren't around when she was able to enjoy them. So, okay. And then this is another purse charm piece. This one I took the face out and I put an image that says life on the inside with a rose. And then again, it has pearls and other charms in it. It's got a little bee and pearls and rhinestones and all that good stuff. Beautiful, beautiful dangles hanging from it. And this cross down here says peace, if you can see that. Really gorgeous piece. I'm very, very happy with the way this one turned out. These are so fun to make and very rewarding when they're completed. Extremely rewarding, and I think this is one of my favorite things to do. And then this is a tin that I made recently, also a timepiece. And I've added all of these embellishments. This is an Altoid size tin. That's the inside, but I buy these blank. They're not. It's not an actual Altoids tin. It's got black, if you can see in the background, it's got a black chunky glitter laid down on the bottom, and then all of these beautiful embellishments on top of that. I absolutely love this gorgeous piece and how it turned out. Anyway, y'all, those are just a few things that I wanted to show you. And let me know if you think that it's something that you would like to see in a future tutorial. And make your comments down below. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, or a thumbs down if you don't. And then make sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't already. Thanks so much, and have a wonderful day, y'all. Bye-bye.